guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are making a mega neon wolf. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, it's so big again. Put in our other wolf. They look so familiar to Australian kelpies when they're neon. But at the same time, Australian kelpies are like purple. This blue thing is not in kelpies. Kelpies have like purple when they're neon. Oh my gosh, guys, what is it? What color is it? Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Bye, guys.